how did I make sure that I program and condition my mind for success? How did I make it a point that my mind only believes that I will never ever fail? I only make it. I'm only born for great things. I go through, I win. How did I make sure that that is the mentality and that is the program that is running in my mind? How did I make sure that? I just developed new evidence for my mind. New evidence. Just to show up in everything that you do. You just promise yourself that you are going to do this consistently, and then you show up, even if it's not going to be perfect that day because you don't feel well, but at least you've managed to show up. So you develop those neural pathways, new circuitry connections, you see, because it's not about you doing what you do perfectly every day. It's about you showing up. So new neural pathways are being formed in your brain. You see, ngikusho lokhu ngoba siphuma lapha kuma spiritual practices lawo esathi siwenza every Monday and Thursday at 7 p.m. yabo, ukuthi you just need to show up, that's it. Because umqondo wakho uzosho ukuthi wena siyakwazi wena, you don't show up entweni, namanje ke still uzohluleka. Done. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelela u-changes akasha uthi kungenzayo noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. It's simple. How you do one thing is how you do everything. That is why kubalekile ukuthi into mawuyenza uyenze nje, yabo, ngendlela nje ongayenza ngayo. Kuthiwa ningi ngalesi singisi lesi, just do your best, yabo, entweni, the best you can, yabo. Because yabo, for an example, ufuna develop a habit yokusave. It's not about ukuthi every time you need to save 500 or you need to save 100 rand. Sometimes kuzongavumi kuvele kusale nje mhlambe that 20 rand inyana, because wena you want to develop new evidence for your brain, do it anyway with that 20 rand, yabo. That's it. So umqondo wakho uyaconditioneka ukuthi oh, this one every time ethi uzokwenza into uyayenza. Umqondo phela awunendaba nalokho kokuthi uthi ithini excuse yakho. The only thing that will come up every time when you have to do something are the excuses every time. So that is how we are conditioned. Umqondo wakho ukuthi every time uzoqhamukela ne-excuse. That is why kuthiwa khona uthando nendlela ikhona. Angeke uze kwenzeke kungenzeki makukhona uthando, yabo. Angeke uze kwenzeke kungenzeki. So mina angifuni ukuthi ngikuyale like just take you step by step spiritually, but also mentally. Mental resilience ibalulekile, yabo, ibalulekile. Because umqondo wakho uzothi kuzohluka ngani this time. You know you. Umqondo wakho ukwazi kahle ukubuka kahle zonke izinto ozenzayo. Uyazi we know you. Wena like really, that is why ngeke isebenze le ama affirmation. I'm born for great things. I will make it. No, umqondo wakho uyazi uthi who you really. When you said you're going to do 1, 2, 3 consistently, you didn't even start. Where was je? That is why you pick sober. I'll pick so umuntu you pick sawen. Because no, not you. Not you. Abanye. What evidence do you have? Because I was also show up in anything like consistently. Yabo, mina mangigijima. So ukuthi I make sure ukuthi yazini mina ground about 12. Ground about 12. That one is even more than a ground. Look here. Ngoba ground lingaphakathi and then umgaqo ngaphandle kwe-ground. But I try about 12. And ngiyengizwa ukuthi yabo manje ngelinye ilanga ngizwa ukuthi ha kushubili ilanga liyashisa. Kuthi ngiphele la 8 ngithi ngiyaphusha. Up until ngize ngibone ukuthi no man, I can't take it anymore. Otherwise I'm going to collapse here. So ukuthi ngiyivala ku-10. Ngiyayivala ke-10 ngoba sekushona umzimba manje. Angilaleli inama emotions athi ayi ngeke yashisa manje noma ayisenyanqene but kuze kube ukuthi no man, no, it's like I'm about to break down. Ikhona ke lento i-gut and intuition esho no ngapha saqhubeka ivale. But otherwise I need to show up. Sometimes uthi ngibuya late. Kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi ngeke ngikwazi ukushaya u12 la. But let me wear and go there. Noma ngaphelela la ngizophelela khona. But if wena you are going to have excuse after excuse after excuse, that's what is being programmed in your brain. I'm telling you. You ine-evidence umqondo wakho ngawe indlela owenza ngayo izinto ukuthi wena ubeke into wena wathi uzoyenza awuyenzi kuba nayo excuse yokungayenzi. Yes, unalo nto umqondo wakho so uzokhala ba ukuthi ucrayon yabo. You just need to show up eyintweni, hayi ngisho nakulama practices, ngisho eyintweni nje zizonke. Then ngifikelele nje ngathi mina abantu ibona abamendleleni yabo kahle kahle la. Ayekho umuntu omendleleni yakho. Uyanqena, that is why kwenye komunye live ngakhuluma ngama systems ukuthi you need to have systems. If you know ukuthi every time I come back from work or every time I wake up, this is what I do. It's a system engasebenzi ngama emotions. Esebenza ukuthi you need to follow the system. The system says after this I do this, after this I do this. It's a system. Then that's how you program your subconscious mind. Because if you say you're breaching the system, that's what is being programmed. When we are not going to make it. When we are not going to. If that is why I'm so shiny just for good. I nayo le enthusiasm ukuthi yabo I will do it and nje yabo so ukuthi nezinto ezenzekalayo nje kwenzeka izinto messy nje messy yabo because umqondo wakho awunayo evidence ngawe ukuthi wena you can stand. Uyakubuka even ukhuluma uyakubuka ukuthi ithini iphethini yakho wena uyakhuluma neqiniso uyakubuka nje konke lapha umqondo wakho and uzokutshela ukuthi wena you are not the trustworthy one. That is why some people they don't even know how are they going to react in certain situations because they don't know themselves, because they know they are hypocrites. They say something but they do something else. They know this is what is important, but they don't do it. Why, good people? Why? Man, I'm not that kind of person who can just enjoy you or membership. Not for you to come there. No, I'm not interested in the membership. By the way, I was honoring the members. I mean, I'm interested in your life. Phela singamane siyakade ngikhuluma nabo nje namhlanje ngithi mina good people nje banila that kubalekile mina ukuthi ngazi ukuthi umuntu njobe enza lama practices what is happening kuyena. Ukhona wakwangifonela ngesinye isikhathi wathi you won't believe things that has happened, you won't believe. Kuthiwa ngiyahlanya. That is why I'm communicating with you only because when you will understand, but other people labe nginabo won't understand. I won't even tell them what has happened now. Yabo? Something extraordinary has happened. Yabo ngasho time no si into enje naka sijwayeleke thi yabo sesiyazi ukuthi sesiyawazi ukubuka ukuthi okay lento engiyibukayo la izokwenzeka kanje, lo uzongibhalela lo kusasa kade agcina ungibhalela lo uzongibhalela kusasa lo uzokwenza ukuthi lo usuyazi lento engiyikhulumayo ngiyazi ukuthi khona like you're connected now spirituality, you're connected now, you know lento engiyishoyo ngiyazi khona umunye khona uyicabangayo noma khona bezeyisho because now you have the proof because you have seen things. Umqondo usebenza ngeproof guys. This is the conscious mind that we are living with kulo mhlaba. Osebenza nge-hard facts and evidence. Ungakhola kanjani umqondo wakho ukuthi wena unemali abundant wena ububona kahle ukuthi no 00? Awukhola lokho. You need something else ezoba yi-proof for lo mqondo wakho ukuthi ukholwe ukuthi wena this 00 doesn't mean anything. Ikuphi ke? What evidence have you developed for your mind? If you don't show up entweni, you don't show up entweni, kumnandi ukulalela nje kuphela. You wish, you just have a wishful thinking. It's just a wishful thinking. Do what you need to do, good people. Do what you need to do. But now was to prioritize izinto ukuthi izinto ezibalekile. Yaba yiki into ebalekile ukudlula spiritual alignment first empilweni yomuntu. Ngeke ngande ngamazwi.